So basically, it was the first time when we collected as a team. It was a kind of distribute and learn. We divided our topics within the teams, and on daily basis we used to discuss each other's topic, and share the learning with each other. That what we have learned for today and how it is going to help us in the next round. So overall, it was a team efforts and in learning all the things. Whether it's any topic about the digital or lean or Six Sigma, but it was entirely coordinating with the teams, helping with the taking the help guidance from the LED team or maybe our internal champs which we have within our OC groups who are good in the lean Six Sigma.
After closing, we did the late night study.
We are the first runner-up from all of the teams all over the world. And
if we go back from around one or 1.5 months back, so we started with the quizzes and we got selected for the finale. And in the finale, we used to study for almost around 5 to 6 hours by dividing the topics in between all the team members.
Starting our day from morning 6 a.m. to throughout the maybe at 10 p.m. in the night, focusing on the studies along with our day-to-day operation.
6 hours.
It's almost just near the quiz day, we used to study almost around 6 to 7 hours a day, apart from our closing work. So
we did around 5 to 6 hours of study.
the main thing is we go on the revision on a daily basis for the same topics and discuss the quizzes and the previous question banks. And we had taken help from some other mentors also, like Ashish sir and many more, like you sir.
Study was based on the genome material. Got help from our experts and the superiors.
So it was an amazing experience. Probably maybe we did not get the title of winner, but in true sense, we are the winner of learning each and everything, which probably by being in the organization for 14 hours we have not learned that much, but in last maybe the journey of 1.5 months has made us learn lot many of new techniques or tools for LSS and digital, which was a great learning, and that's a big win for us.
But we learned a lot through this LTKs. I explored many things which is add on to my knowledge. I learned many new things and connected with the different people and got opportunity to sit in a webinar and talk with the panelists and all.
It was really an amazing experience working on this quiz, LDT quiz. I think this is the first time for me in the past 2.5 years of journey in Genpact.
So initially learning was the first thing which we aimed off. Then we started winning, and that was the only target we wanted to achieve. It gave a huge learning to all of us. It was not expected in 1 year of joining the Genpact, but it's like a dream come true for all of us.
The kind of learning which we have received from this LDT journey. So as a next step, we would like to utilize this learning and share as much we can.
We got a lot of experience and we just want to share the same experience with the team. If we got the opportunity, we would like to conduct the session and spread the same knowledge to the team, and would like to drive the same type of quiz or contest within the G, so the people can experience the same things which we experience.
Like to share the knowledge with the team
I learned a lot more things during the whole process. I would like to share all this knowledge with a client company.
So 4W and 1 approach for managing all your meetings, any kind of whenever you have discussion regarding solving any complex problem. So this is one of the good tool which can help us. Apart from that, QFD, quality function deployment, where we work with the cross-functional team to check the understanding or deciding that who is gonna do what.
There is one tool, Kanu, on the basis of which we can prioritize the feature according to the need of the customer and product. And the second tool which I like is Kaizen, which focus on changing improvement and improve the product quality, reduce the waste, so deliver the best value to the customer. And the one which I like most is Zidoka, which focus on smart automation.
just 5S which we can apply on a regular day basis work.
Okayok. It's basically an automation tool for mistake proofing.
So this team had a great caliber. So when we started, they knew the basic lean concepts, but then when they progressed over the period of time, we started learning all the main important concepts of lean. Then we went into the Six Sigma tools. We looked at some existing GP projects. We looked at the Prodigy methodology, and we also looked at some basic questionnaires. The team went through the rigorous material over the period of time. They learned over these new concepts. They tried to understand through the examples so that how they can apply in the real life operational situation. They were extremely confident, and I was also very confident on them because the hard work they were putting in, and the hours, the working hours they were putting into in order to understand these concepts. So I was really confident that they will go through these questionnaires and they will go through these concepts, this contest like pro.